The Constitution of India. Part 5. The Union. Chapter 2. Parliament. General. Article 85. Sessions of Parliament, prorogation, and dissolution. 1. The President shall from time to time summon each House of Parliament to meet at such time and place as he thinks fit. But 6 months shall not intervene between its last sitting in one session and the date appointed for its first sitting in the next session. 2. The President may from time to time prorogue the Houses, or either House. B. Dissolve the House of the People.